Come test drive the 2017 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cargo net, cargo tray, low tire pressure warning, carpeted floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.